I'm making a video about this little gardening job I've got today, which has consisted of one, painting the shed, fixing the shed to putting little hooks and stuff. That took a day. That's familiar, for me that's familiar work, easy to do. You could do it, anyone could do it if you got the patience. Second job, see that water butt? I've got to fix that onto this drain there, which is a job I've never done before, and my first reaction is, oh my god, I can't do that. You need to get a plumber or a gardener or someone who knows what the hell they're doing. And I was kind of a bit depressed about it yesterday, but I had a good sleep, and today I am confident that I'm going to do it. I don't know how, but I'm going to work it out. And the third job is these slabs here. They're all a bit off key, off center, they're wobbly and stuff, not flat. So I'm going to relay them, make them flat. And the point about this is that it's a job I thought I couldn't do yesterday, but today I'm going to do it one way or another. And I think the sense of satisfaction I'll get from that is really immense, because I'd started off saying, oh, I can't do that, and I'll end by saying, I'm going to do it. So I've kind of beat my naysayer, my inner critic, who says you can't do this, you can't do that, you're not good enough. And then also, these are little jobs that anybody can do. You just need a bit of patience, a bit of ingenuity, maybe a bit of research on YouTube, and just hard work. And you know, it's really satisfying to know that there are these little jobs you can do, because people are getting so despairing about the fact that HR is making jobs, getting jobs a total nightmare. AI is destroying jobs. The government isn't helping by raising taxes. So if you're worried about work, there's plenty of this casual work. And then people who own houses are saying you can't find anyone to do any jobs. I don't know where it's all going, what it all means, but what I do know is that there is work, and I get it all the time. And if you ever want any advice or support in your potential career as a gardener / painter decorator / driver, get in touch, leave a comment below. Let's talk. Bye.